So at Surf Life Saving New South Wales, we've been using drones for 7 years, and we've really come to a stage where we've got about 250 drones, 250 drone pilots as well, and they're based all along the coastline. They've really been used for public safety, sharks, in the past, but now we're really moving into helping other agencies as well. So we deployed last year for the floods, and yeah, the uses have just expanded. So Surf Life Saving New South Wales is leading the way. Born out of the original use of shark safety, we're now able to respond to a multitude of other reasons for tasking the drones. So we're also reducing duplication in government and across emergency services. So the same drones that can be used for missing people are also used for fire and flooding and sharks. What we see is the drones are just a tool that can be used. They can really be slotted into any incident response team as long as they have one of the agency there leading the actual response. They're simply a tool that the incident commander can use to gain situational awareness, information about fire fronts, look for missing people, and gather data for rapid damage assessment. The way that I look at it, we're doing the local response with consumer grade drones really well. We've moved into slightly more capable consumer drones, weatherproof, windproof, night capable and things like that. The next layer on top, and layer, I call it quite specifically because we're not looking to replace our current operations, but is long range drones. So they fly for an hour or two at a time, up to 200 kilometres, and capture large swathes of data, whether that's visual video of a particular incident, missing person or something like that, or mapping flooding or large forest fire areas or fire areas.